In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Samsung mobile screen flickering problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the screen on your Samsung device is flickering or giving you trouble, there are some steps that you can take to fix this. I'm going to present them in order, and one of them will help you address this issue. So first of all, swipe down from the top and you will find the brightness options. I recommend messing with this to see where the problem lies. The very first thing that I would recommend is to lower it. So lower it and see if the flickering stops, or at least diminishes. And if it does, the problem is attributed to the screen that you are using. Maybe it doesn't support higher brightness, so you will have to use it in a lowered state. You can also try disabling adaptive brightness. So if you tap these three dots, you will be able to find adaptive brightness. This adapts to the brightness around you. So if you are in an area that is open, your screen will automatically enhance the brightness so it is easier to see. And if you are in a dark room, it is going to lower it accordingly. Now, something else to do is to go into the display settings. So go into the settings of your device, go into the display category, and you will find motion smoothness. What you can do here is set it to standard. By setting it to standard, it is going to be locked to 60 Hz. This isn't too pleasing to look at. However, it can help address issues related to the screen flickering or not working properly. So if it is set to adaptive, it is going to try to use up to 120 Hz on your screen. And if you are noticing problems while adaptive is selected, you can lower it to 60 accordingly. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. I recommend updating the software on your Samsung device if there is an update available, and if that also fails, then you will have to contact the customer support to get it resolved. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung mobile screen flickering problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.